Welcome to this video where the name of the game today is using the power rule. This is a great way to mentally take the derivative of a polynomial function. I knew this rule before my Calc 1 professor wanted me to, and it helped me greatly. I was able to make sure that all my definition of a derivative calculations were correct. So to start using this rule, I need to take the derivative of a variable raised to a power. And to take that derivative, this rule says all I have to do is move this n and multiply the power as a coefficient on the variable. Then I subtract 1 from the power. Let's do an example. It makes things a lot more simple to actually see it being done, I think. So x squared minus, actually, I'll just take the derivative of x squared. That's a good place to start. What I am going to want to do is take this 2 and move it in front of the x. I'm going to get 2x. And then I take the power and subtract 1. 2x to the first power equals 2x. And that is the derivative of x squared. I'll take another example. That is going to be, say, x cubed. My first step that I'll take is I will move that 3 in front of the x, and then I'll subtract 1 from the 3. That's 3x squared. And that's the derivative of x cubed. How about another one? X to the 1/2. The derivative, after I move the 1/2 in front of the x and subtract 1, is going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power, because 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. How about a polynomial with multiple terms? If we have a polynomial with multiple terms, let's do the same problem that I used in the definition of a derivative example. That's going to be x squared minus 5x, plus 5x minus 6. We apply the power rule to the individual terms. So for our first term, we'll just look at x squared. I'll outline that in red. Say x squared is going to be 2x to the first power plus, and then I have x to the 1 here, so the 1 gets multiplied by the 5, and we have x to the 0 power, and then the derivative of any constant is 0. I can simplify x to the 0 to be 2x plus 5, because any number to the 0 is going to be 1, and 1 times 5 is just 5. 2x plus 5, that is the same answer that we got on the definition of derivative example, except we have eliminated a lot of work in between. If I want to multiply 2 over x squared, sometimes we need to simplify that because it looks a bit annoying. I can simplify that to say 2x to the negative 2, and that's going to be negative 4, because I multiply 2 times negative 2, x to the negative 3, which you can even simplify back into saying negative 4x over, I messed that up, negative 4 over x cubed. And that's a derivative. Go ahead and have a lot of fun with these questions, and if you have any more questions, you can email me at jokoengineeringhelp@gmail.com. Otherwise, please subscribe if you've enjoyed this help, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.